lovelies, it's Kia from Cara Bookkeeping Specialist. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I'm sharing with you 3 quick tips to help you prepare for your tax bill so that in the future you never have this horrible, awful, running around stressy mess at this time of year ever again. We don't want to be stressed straight after Christmas and we just had New Year's. We just want to be happy and chilled. So let's look at these 3 tips and hopefully things will be a lot more smoother for you going forward. Tip number 1, look at your previous year's tax bill. And you can use that as a ballpark measure of what this year's tax bill might be. Now, obviously, hopefully you would have done a lot more selling and made a lot more profit this year than you did last year. And that should be the case every single year. But it gives you a good starting point. So take last year's tax bill, divide it by 12, and you can set that amount aside every single month. And then you're in a good position to already have at least something ready for when the tax bill comes around. So tip number 1, very, very simple. I like it. Tip number 2, if you're using something like a cash flow forecast, if you're not using a cash flow forecast, you can go and download one for free from the website. I will link that in the description box below. But if you are using something like a cash flow forecast, you're already tracking your income, your expenses, and your approximate profit every single month. You can take that profit figure at the end of the month, divide it by, take 20% of it, and then put that aside in a separate bank account, savings for tax. And then you're on your way every single month. You're already doing it. Just a small piece being set aside every single month. That was a lot more stress-free than waiting till being like in the last minute at the end of the year in January and stressing. And last but not least, what you can do, which is actually a very good one if you think about it, is when it's the end of April 6th is gone, you've got your April to April data for the self-assessment tax return anyway. Produce your tax return, calculate it, get a bookkeeper to do it, get someone to help you, do it yourself, calculate it, work out how much tax you're going to have to pay, and then you've got 9 months to save up that much tax because you get the date by the end of April, you've got all the way till January before you need to pay it. So start saving and you've got 9 months to do it and then pay it in January. Better yet, pay it off early if you can and you save some money on interest, which we'll talk about a little bit more later on in future videos. So that's where I'm leaving you today. If you're worried about your tax bill, if you just want it to be a lot easier for you going forward, you don't want the stress, you'd rather have someone else do it for you, get in touch with me. I will leave my contact details all around the description box of this video and I would be so happy to help you out, guys. Other than that, I hope you have an amazing day.